Are you ready to make $8,589 per day? Yes, you've heard it right. You can make over $8,000 a day just by copy and pasting websites. We are no face affiliate, and in a few seconds, Jonathan will show you his amazing system that allows you to make over $8,000 per day. He will also reveal to you his best beginner strategy for affiliate marketing. So stay tuned and let Jonathan show you this brilliant system. Make sure to watch the video until the end so you can grab your free gift.
How am I making over $8,589 per month by simply copying and pasting websites? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. Hey, what's up, you guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm making over $8,000 by basically copying and pasting funnels and sharing funnels that are already built out. No, you don't have to build out a fancy course. You don't have to have a drop shipping program. You don't have to deal with customer service. You're literally copying and pasting websites and you're making money online. So I'm going to show you exactly the strategy and how you can start making money with this. And this is actually completely passive, guys. I've been able to generate almost $10,000 per month by doing this with just one of my income streams. Now, this method that I'm gonna be teaching you today is simply affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is basically how I went from 0 to 6 figures in 6 months of starting my business and quitting my electrical engineering job within 9 months. Affiliate marketing is the best business model on the planet because we're simply promoting other people's products. At the end of the day, that's all we're doing. We don't have to worry about inventory, customer service, dealing with refunds. We don't have to do any of that. All we're doing is referring products that people can use, and if they buy from you, you make a commission. But in this video, I'll show you how to copy and paste already done for you funnels, already done for you websites, so you can start making money. Now, if you stick to the end of this video, guys, I'm gonna give you some incredible resources to help you make even more money with this method of affiliate marketing. And I've actually helped thousands of students by giving them these copy and paste courses, websites, resources to help them make more money. So if you stick to the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how you can access those extra resources. Now, guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of my channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, when I first started, I was looking for a way out of my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer. I tried literally every business model on the planet, and I found affiliate marketing, and this is what helped me quit my 9-to-5 job. So if you want to learn more, I'm coming out with videos almost every single day, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment. It really helps me get my videos out to more people looking to quit their 9-to-5 jobs. So let's get into the actual video. Now, the product we're going to be talking about today is Clickfunnels. I'm going to show you exactly why, but let me show you this real quick, guys. As you can see, in the last 30 days, we've generated over $8,589 using this software or using this affiliate program. Now, this program is incredible, guys. I've been able to basically copy and paste these websites, these funnels to people that need help, right? We're basically giving people done for you funnels, and you're gonna make money. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that, guys, but this is an easy software to promote myself because I use this software. I literally have built my whole business using this software. If you've never heard of Clickfunnels, it's basically a website builder. It's a drag and drop website builder. Super, super easy to use. You can build an email list using this software. You can build courses. You can literally automate your whole business. So it's an easy software to promote, and most people need this if they have a business or if they want to start a business because it allows them to automate their business, whether it's a local business or an online business. That's why I love promoting this, and only 150,000 people have this software, and think about how many millions of businesses out there that need to automate their whole business. So much potential out there, guys, by promoting this, but I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay, so how do we actually make money with this method? How can we copy and paste website funnel and make money, right? So basically think of it like this, all right? Let's just say you're a dentist and you wanna be able to collect email leads. You wanna be able to automate your business, right? But as a dentist, you don't really care about building a website. Obviously, you just wanna get more customers, right? So the goal here is to build a copy and paste funnel you can literally give them so he can go ahead and start collecting email leads and start making money with his business. Now, in order for him to, get that copy and paste funnel, he has to create a Clickfunnels account, right? Which is between $100 a month to $300 a month, okay? Now, the purpose here is to make it as easy as possible for the business owner, okay? So whether it's a dentist, it's a chiropractor, an online business owner, you want to be able to give them a funnel that it's going to be ready to go and ready to use, okay? So what I recommend is picking a niche, right? So if you want to help dentists out or chiropractors or online course creators, whatever it is, pick that one niche and just have one funnel for them, right? And you're gonna be sharing this copy and paste template. Clickfunnels allows you to do that. So you can literally give someone a funnel, and obviously they have to create an account to access that funnel. That's where you start making the money, right? So for example, let's just say you get 100 chiropractors that you give them a funnel, they sign up, you're literally making 40% commissions on that. So for example, you got 100 people paying $100 a month, guys, that's $10,000 a month you're generating, and you're getting 40% of that. So that's $4,000 a month you're generating passively. This is literally the best way to make money because you don't have to worry about selling something. You're literally giving something for free, but on the back end, you're making a lot more money. Now you can create these landing pages, you can create these funnels and give them to people, but I'm gonna show you a better way to actually make money with this method. Now that's the first way you can make money with this method. You can literally go and build out the funnels yourself and give them out, right? That's gonna take a little bit more time. If you've never used ClickFunnels, you have to learn how to use it, right? Now guys, I have a better method for you, and that's by partnering with me, okay? So basically, if you take my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, I'm gonna give you a book, okay? Now with this book, it allows you to promote ClickFunnels, and it gives you the chance to give away a book absolutely free. I'm gonna show you how this works in just a second, okay? But the goal here is, again, you're giving something away for free. In this case, we're giving something for free, teaching people how to make money online, right? Within this book, I teach people how to make money online, but they need a certain amount of tools for that, right? They need ClickFunnels, they need GetResponse, they need an online course. So what I've created is an ecosystem of products that you can make money with. But here's the cool thing, okay? I actually created this book, but it allows you to edit the links in there to put your links in there, not only for ClickFunnels, but for GetResponse and Legendary Marketer and the 3-day challenge. And like over 12 to 15 products are in there, guys, that you can make money. And simply just literally copying and pasting a website and giving a book for free is gonna allow you to make money with this method. Now guys, to access this white label book and funnel, you're gonna wanna join my 3-day challenge, which I link down below. It's in the first link down below. And in here, once you log in and you have access to this, you're gonna see this right here, okay? It's gonna say bonus, get my white label funnel and ebook here, okay? Now, with this, I'm literally giving you an ebook to promote ClickFunnels, GetResponse, and a whole different type of product, okay? So all types of different products in here, okay? So what I'm giving here is I'm giving you the funnel to promote this book, okay? Within this book, it's gonna allow you to promote ClickFunnels, tons of other different products, okay? So all this is in here in the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, which I have linked down below, and you can get access to that. Now, the final way to actually make money with this method is I'm gonna give you a white label ClickFunnels course, okay? And this is gonna be absolutely free, guys. You can actually use this course to promote ClickFunnels, all right? So basically what it is, it's a white label course that I'm gonna give to you, and within that course, you're gonna add your affiliate links in there. I'm actually gonna link that down below as well. That's gonna be absolutely free, guys. You guys can take that and use that course and rebrand it as your own. You can put your face in there, you can put your affiliate links. But guys, this is how you copy and paste and make money, okay? Again, we're just giving people, stuff like a free book or a free course or a free template, right? And all we're doing is just giving stuff for free and then making money. That's literally the easiest way to make money, right? Like, how would you like to give something away for free and make money, right? And this is how I built my business, guys. This is literally all I've done. I've done the hard work of building out these courses, making these books in exchange for, obviously you need a ClickFunnels account to, host this course or have the book, right? So again, I'm giving you something for free as a YouTube subscriber, but in return, you're gonna sign up for a ClickFunnels account to use this whole program. So see how it works, guys. I'm practicing what I'm preaching, but I wanna help you guys do the same thing. So again, you can create this course, or you can create the assets yourself, or you can just partner with me, guys, and you can literally just access what I have for you, change out the links, and you make money by copying and pasting websites. Now, guys, in my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where you're gonna access all these books, all these white label funnels, I'm actually gonna teach you my whole system, my whole ecosystem on how I built a 6-figure business. So not only are you gonna get the book and the course, but you're also gonna learn the actual skills that help me build my online business. So if you wanna learn exactly how you can access all the things I mentioned, click the first link down below, guys. It's gonna take you to the 3-day challenge where I'm gonna give you the book, the funnel, and the white label course, everything you need to be successful with your business. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was of value, and we'll see you guys on the next video, and God bless.
Now you've seen how you can make over $8,000 per day just by using this simple and genius system. What are you waiting for? Click the link below the video and start right away. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. But most importantly, click the link below the video and start right away. Your success is just a few clicks away.